guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a Valentine's Day gift Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to turn one of the metal buckets from Dollar Tree into a hot air balloon using just a regular balloon from the Dollar Tree and some paper straws. I chose the white because I thought it would look really pretty with red hearts all over it, so I just blow it up, kind of try it out to see if it's to scale to make a hot air balloon, and it looks pretty good. And then to decorate it, since it's not a Valentine's Day balloon, I'm just going to use some of the little red glitter foam stickers all over and just kind of do like a pattern, nesting them in between each other all over to kind of give it that overall Valentine's feel. You really can't have too many. They have different sizes on here, so you can also kind of mix up the different size of hearts. So you could also do this with a red balloon as well, but I really liked the hearts on there. I thought that really added something, and the white and the red goes really well with the little bucket that we got from the Dollar Tree. To hold the balloon up, we're just going to use some paper straws. You could use any of the like red or pastel. I found this red and white striped one from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to hot glue 4 of those onto the side, just kind of spacing those out evenly. And we can set the balloon on top to be a hot air balloon, which is a really fun theme, I think. Just trying it out to see if it's going to work, and I think it's a success. Now it's time to fill up our little basket and fill it up with candy, of course, for Valentine's Day. So I picked up some peanut butter hearts from the Dollar Tree, Hershey Kisses, chocolate hearts, and you know what? They even had some Reese's hearts, and can't all be candy. So I'm going to do a few socks in there as well. Some fun Mario socks I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with a little party shred first, and then add the socks, and then just fill up the rest of the bucket with candy. Now, if you wanted a larger bucket, you really could do that. You could use like the red bucket from the Dollar Tree with the heart cutouts on the side and have way more gifts inside. But again, your balloon would have to be a little bit bigger, but I think it would really work. I think this held quite a bit of candy. I'm just going to try to give a little bit of variety. I want it to be full, but not overflowing the sides because I'm not going to wrap this or anything with any plastic wrap. I'm just going to kind of leave it as it is. So that looks pretty good. Now it's time to figure out how to attach this balloon. You could just have it sit on there. I decided to kind of cut my straws at an angle to kind of make like a little area where it can sit down into. And you could use like glue dots, I think, to attach this. You're not going to want probably hot glue or anything like that with the balloon. I used a little bit of tacky glue from the Dollar Tree just on the ends of the straws, just something to make it stay together during the gift giving process. And add my balloon to it. I designed these fun printables. If you go to my YouTube Valentine's Day gift video, you can find these printables. I printed mine out on cardstock. This one's a hot air balloon. It says love is in the air. I just cut it out, punching a hole in it, using some twine to tie that off to the present. I love a good printable tag like that, especially when it goes with the theme as well. This is how it turned out, our little love is in the air hot air balloon gift for Valentine's Day. If you'd like more Valentine's Day gift DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.